So what's up guys, today I will do a brief intro on a regular expression. I will like show a small example, but I will not really do it like code by code. I will just explain it. So first of all, regular expressions simply just a very universal language that's used to describe text pattern. It can be used in C++, C, Python, pretty sure Java, and is widely applied in tasks such as text search, matching, and replacement. And we can define a specific combination of character and symbols. And this regular expression can be precisely locate and manipulate specific content within the text. And then in order to create a regex in C++, I mean, you can create a class or whatever, but the easiest way is to import this library called regex, which is just using sharp include regex, very simple. And then you can declare a pattern like this, std regex, and then the name you want, and then the pattern. So, for example, imported the library, we have this thing called std regex pattern 1 equal to this. So make sure don't use the equal sign. Just make it like this, name and then parenthesis and the pattern you want. And then I will talk about some of the most basic pattern, which is this. So let me create a new file. Wait, do I have my video? Yeah, it's here. Open. Okay, so let's say I'll still do a really small example on this one. So the string would be like this. 3, 4. And then we'll take our pattern. Alright, let me include regex. And then we need to take our pattern. So std regex pattern. And then this. Alright, I would just, alright, not that one. So if so here we go. So and then this is just a very very widely used function. It's std regex match, and then the text that you want to match, and then the pattern, which is this, and then if it match, it will return true. If it doesn't, it will return false. So if this is true, then we will print out match. If it's not, what? Oh, it's tree. Sorry. And then what the hell? Oh, forgot about to close the parenthesis. So I'm pretty sure we'll print out. Oh yeah, I see. So I mean, if there's a parenthesis error, it will not really print out here. I'll just tell you. And then this is match. So the basic point is that the 0 to 9, which is this part, it means that anything from 0 to 9 is eligible for this pattern, which is all the number. And then the 4 mean there must be 4 numbers that's eligible for this pattern to make this pattern occur or be true. So if it's let's say x, if we put an x here, then it will not be correct since it's not 0 to 9. And then if we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will also be wrong because we specified there need to be 4 numbers. And without this 4, it will just be 0 to 9. So this will be not match because they need to be only one number. it's quite fun to play around, and we can change it to 6. So it needs to be like 6 to match, which there's only 5. And then let's just do it back to 3. And then let's say if we do 1, 2, 1, if we put a 0 there, it would be like matching, I think. Because I'm pretty sure it's inclusive, yeah. Both 0 and 9 is included. And then we can do a bit more advanced by adding some symbols like this. So it basically just means after that, like, so in the pattern we can we had to have like these 3 symbols need to be after this pattern in order to make the pattern true. So if we do that, and then this, and then this will be true since it's like 3 numbers followed by those 3 symbols. If it's like we don't have this symbol, it'll be wrong. And this is like widely used for wait. This is interesting. This shouldn't be matching. Oh shoot. Why is it matching? This doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Let me search it up. I'm pretty sure it's cause do we need to put like how is this matching? There's no way that's matching. Yeah, it's not matching, but why is it matching first? So if we wait. Oh, sorry, it's Chinese. Alright, let me change it back to my English keyboard. Missing terminating? Oh shoot. I think I see why. So let's say this is at. So this will be matching. However, if I'm pretty sure if we delete this, it will not be matching. Because I need to follow, I need to follow this pattern in order to make it match. And then, yeah. So I will do a very simple example. I'll just explain it. So we let me just do this. So this is a very simple program to just identify whether the date is correct, like the date you're giving in is if it's correct. So let's say it's December 8th, 2024. It will give us the fact that it is correct since is it because I add a wait? Is that why? Yeah. So December 8th, 2023, it will tell us it's correct. But if this is like 31st, it will not be correct. Oh shoot. It's actually like 38th because 31st is actually a date. So, this will be a small like first I will give you guys a like small homework, which is basically to modify it so that the computer know when it is like a year that like the year like which month will have how much days because in some years February will have um 20 I mean 28 days and just try to modify it so that it would be like 20. If we give it like February 20, 29th, 20, 2024, 2020, I think. It'll be wrong. So this is basically like, first it needs to be like 4 numbers, which is the year. But it can get bigger. I mean, this is a very quick program, so there might be errors. And then it needs to be like 0 and 1 to 9, which is like 0. So this just means a 0 and followed by a number. And then this is a or sign. So 0 followed by a number, or 10 or 11 or 12, meaning the month. And then this is a days, which is 0 followed by a number, 1 followed by a number, 2 followed by a number, 3 followed by 0 or 1. And then so this is in the year, month, day format. And I'm pretty sure this is a day, month, year format, and like etc. And then it's this, which is the IP4. And so this IP4, I need to be 4 numbers within them. It's like 4 these dots, and all the numbers need to be less than 255. And we just used this. Like, this is how it will look like. So this is homework number 2. Try to like think of how to do this. Like, make a program that's able to detect whether it is a IP4 address. And these are what you need to detect. And alright, that's basically a brief demonstration of regular expression, and that's it. Bye.